How is it possible to share these data in a GDPR compliant way? Of course, because your data is only referred to the public key and not to your name or your date or anything which is, or your address, anything which makes it possible to refer to you as a person. So it's able to use these data. And the other point is not Moonchain as the company provides these data, but you as the user decide to provide these data. I want to introduce you once more with the pseudonymization part. When the blockchain was hyped like 5 or 10 years ago, when everything started, for the most people, using a blockchain was automatically an anonymized way to interact. But because we use a public key pair, it's just a pseudonymization. Because when you think about, if you would use every time the same key pair, the transactions which are done with this key pair are openly on the blockchain. So if anybody would like to connect all the transactions which are made by one wallet, it would be possible to de-anonymize the transaction which are be done. And for this, yeah, it's important to know the difference between anonymization and pseudonymization. Like I said, the solution for this would be to use a new wallet for each application to minimize the risk when it comes to exposure through pseudonymity.